Hello everyone, my name is Nesa Amelia. I'm from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Today I will present a topic about consumer protection, which is one of the most important aspects in business law. Consumer is protection discuss how consumers are protected from unfair business practice and how businesses are required to act responsible in modern market. Consumers often face risks such as misleading advertisement, unsafe product, and unfair pricing. Therefore, consumer protection exists to create balance between consumer and business and to ensure the economic activity run fairly and ethically. This topic is highly relevant because every one of us is a customer, and at the same time many of us must become business actor in the future. Next, definition of consumer protection. Consumer protection can be defined as an effort, a legal measure designed to protect consumers from losses caused by unfair, deceptive, or irresponsible business practice. The main goal of consumer protection is to ensure that consumers receive safe product, clear information, and fair treatment. Consumer protection laws require business to be transparent, honest, and accountable. Without consumer protection, business might prioritize profit without considering consumer safety and rights, which can lead to exploitation and market failure. Next, purposes of consumer protection. The purposes of consumer protection are not only to protect consumers but also to improve the overall quality of the market parts. First, it aims to protect consumer rights to tell consumers are not disadvantaged in transaction. Second, in accordance with business practice by preventing fraud and manipulation. Another important purpose is to increase consumer awareness. Education. Consumers are more careful when making purchase decisions. Lastly, consumer protection helps balance the power between consumer and business, especially because business usually have more information and researchers. Next, consumer rights. Consumers have several fundamental rights that must be respected by business. The right to safety means that product must not endanger consumer health or life. The right to information ensures that consumers receive accurate and honest detail about product, including price, quality, and rates. Consumers also have the right to choose freely among products and services without coercion. In addition, they have the right to be heard, meaning they can submit complications and opinion. Lastly, consumers have the right to compensation if they suffer loss due to defective product or unfair practice. Next, business obligation towards consumer. Business have legal and ethical obligation toward consumer. They must provide truthful and complete product information so consumer can make informed decisions. Businesses are also responsible for ensuring that their product meets safety and quality standards. In addition, business must avoid fair pricing and avoid misleading promotion. When consumers experience loss, businesses are required to handle complaints properly and provide compensation. These obligations are essential to build long-term trust between business and consumer. Unfair business practice. Unfair business practice refers to action taken by business actors that disadvantage consumer either accidentally or due to negligence. This practice often arises when business prioritize profit over ethical and legal responsible. One common example is misleading advertising. Business might exaggerate product benefit, hide important information, or use visual manipulation to influence consumer decision. In the long term, this erodes trust and damages market integrity. Another practice is selling unsafe or defective product when companies fail to conduct quality control. Consumers bear healthy and financial risks. This issue is especially critical in food, cosmetic, electronic, and children products. Hidden costs are also a frequent problem, particularly in digital transactions. Consumers may only discover administration fees after committing to a purchase, which violates transparency principles. This practice highlights why strong consumer protection laws and enforcement mechanisms are essential. Next, legal framework of consumer protection. Consumer protection is supported by a legal framework that defines rights, obligations, and sanctions. Law serves as a foundation to ensure fairness and accountability in business activity. Regulation establishes minimum standards for product safety, information disclosure, pricing transparency, and dispute resolution. Businesses are required to comply regardless of company size. Supervisory institutions monitor complaints through investigation, audit, and complaint handling when violations occur. Sanctions might include fines, license revocation, or legal procession. This legal structure aims not only to punish wrongdoing but also to prevent future violence by creating a deterrent effect. Next, role of government in consumer protection. The government plays a central role in consumer protection through regulation, supervision, and enforcement. Without government involvement, market imbalances would heavily disadvantage consumers. One key role is establishing clear and enforceable regulation that adapt to economy and technological development. Government also monitor business activity to ensure compliance. Consumer compliance machines allow individuals to report violence and seek remedial. This process strengthens public trust in the legal system. Additionally, government impose sanctions to ensure accountability and deter unethical practice. Next, role of consumer. Consumers are not passive participants in the market. They have a responsibility to understand their rights and make informed decisions. By carefully evaluating product, reading information, and comparing options, consumers reduce their vulnerability to unfair practice. Reporting violation contributes to stronger enforcement and market discipline. Active to consumer participation support an healthier and more transparent business environment. Next, importance of consumer protection in business. Consumer protection is vital for sustainable business growth. Business that respect consumer rights build trust and long-term loyalty. Fair practice enhance corporate reputation and reduce legal risk. Consumer protection is not merely a legal requirement, but a strategic foundation for sustainable business operation in modern market, especially in competitive and digital environment. Business cannot survive in the long term without consumer trust. First, consumer protection strengthens the market confidence. When consumers believe that their rights are protected, they are more willing to participate in economic activity. This confidence increases transaction volume and supports business growth. Second, consumer protection directs affect brand image and corporate reputation. Ethical treatment of consumer signal professionals and responsibility in contract companies involved in consumer right violence often experience reputational damage that is difficult and costly to repair. Third, consumer protection minimizes business risks. Compliance with consumer protection law help companies avoid legal disputes, penalties, and compensation claims from a risk management perspective. Preventive compliance is more efficient than reactive problem solving. Fourth, consumer protection promotes innovation and wealthy empowerment. When deceptive practices are restricted, businesses are encouraged to compete through better product quality, service excellence, and innovation rather than manipulation. 5. Consumer protection supports long-term business sustainability. Short-term profit gained by exploitation consumer often lead to long-term losses. Sustainable business understand that consumer certification is a long-term investment. 6. Consumer protection contributes to economic development. Protects consumers are more confident to spend, which increased demand stimulates production and ultimately support economic growth. Finally, strong consumer protection creates a balanced relationship between business and consumer. This balance is essential for maintaining a stable, fair, and resilient market system. Next, conclusion. In conclusion, consumer protection is a fundamental element of business law and economic system. It ensures that market activity are conducted fairly, transparently, and responsibly. Effective consumer protection benefit multiple parties. Consumer gain safety, information, and legal certainty, while business gain trust, loyalty, and long-term stability. The economy as a whole benefit from increased confidence and sustainable growth. Looking forward, consumer protection faces new challenges in the digital era. The rise of e-commerce, fintech, and cross-border transactions increase the complication of consumer issues such as data privacy, digital fraud, and proper accountable. Therefore, consumer protection law and institutions must continually adapt to technology and economic change. Government need to strengthen regulation and enforcement, while business must integrate consumer protection into their corporate culture. Consumers also play a crucial role in the future of consumer protection. Awareness, critical thinking, and active participation in reporting violence are essential to maintain a fair market. Ultimately, strong consumer protection contributes to economic development by creating a stable and trustworthy business environment. A well-protected consumer market support innovation, investment, and inclusive economic growth. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.